Hello Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Pisces, pauna mensahe po ninyo ay Page of Wands. This is an exciting energy. Ano kayo dito? Feeling excited, feeling ecstatic, at saka yung opportunity kasi na to, mababalitaan ninyo, and that will reignite your passion. Kaya napakaganda nito. Kasi maaaring ito yung opportunity para kayo ay, alam mo yun, ma-embrace ninyo yung inyong talents, gifts, yung skills ninyo. Maaaring, kung ano man trabaho ninyo yun or ginagawa ninyo, maaaring hindi kayo nabibigyan ng pagkakataon para magamit ninyo, no? Or magawa ninyo kung ano man yung gustong-gusto nyo talagang gawin. Pero with this opportunity na kumakatok sa buhay ninyo, this will excite you a lot, no? Kasi maaaring ito na yung inyong pagkakataon. We have Hermit. Ayan. So, this is being sent to you na energy kasi baka lagi kayong pagod. Baka may gumugulo sa isip ninyo at you can't find the clarity of mind. Kaya iniimbitahan kayo dito na magmuni-muni kayo, magnilay-nilay kayo. This is the time for you to reflect, no? So that you can get back to your core, at saka you can reconnect with yourself and with your higher self, no, Pisces? So, give yourself time, no? Give yourself time na makapag mag alone time kayo, mag me time kayo, okay? What else? We have Two of Wands. Ayan, so siguro nga may confusion kayo, maybe dahil meron kayong kailangan pagdesisyonan sa ngayon, so maybe the confusion is hitting you right now, at makakatulong na maging malinaw ang inyong isipan dito if you're going to do some kind of reflection, if you are going to do some kind of pagninilay-nilay, no? At mag-meditate kayo, that would also help you a lot. Maybe then, no, that you are planning, no? Planning stage ito, strategizing stage ito. So maybe you are thinking of something to do and you are making plans, no? Sa ngayon. So good luck. What else? We have strength. Ayan. This could be physical strength, no? Na kailangan ninyong ibalik sa sarili ninyo. Maaring lagi kayong pagod, no? Maaari din kasi na yung hermit energy na to, kaya kayo pinagpapahinga, kaya kayo pinag-step back muna sa kung ano man yung pinagkakaabalahan ninyo, pinagkakabisihan, because maybe you need to regain your physical strength, then kailangan ninyo magpahinga. Possible then, Pisces, na this is inner strength and courage that you need to activate, kasi baka meron kayong mga sitwasyon na kailangan ninyong harapin squarely, no? Sa siguro napaghihinaan kayo ng loob at some point, no? At ngayon you're being encouraged here to activate your inner strength and courage, so that you'll be able to face it, no? You'll be able to face it squarely, okay? We have Ace of Cups. Ayan, this is a new beginning energy, Pisces. This is a divine blessing, no, na paparating sa inyo. At yung maganda rito, kasi kung ano man ang blessing na to, this is gonna come in abundance. This is gonna come, yung parang tuloy-tuloy ba, no? This is like an infinite abundance, no? Na maaring ipadala sa inyo ng universe dito. Kaya napakaganda ng energy na to. Tsaka kung ano yung kulang sa inyo sa ngayon, kung ano yung kailangan ninyo, yun ang ibibigay sa inyo, yun ang dadating, no? So, good luck to that. What else? Ayusin muna natin. Ayun. Okay, so tignan natin kung ano pa ang ganap dito for Pisces. We have voyage, may travel na gagawin si Pisces, no? So, siguro, ang travel na to could be international travel, possible din na domestic, pero baka yung travel na to is over water, no? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Since this is a general reading, so yung travel na to could be over water, by air, by land, no? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. What else? We have healing chaos. This is good kasi kung kunyari, naguguluhan na ang inyong isipan, no? Chaotic ang isip ninyo, maybe hindi nag-a-agree yung isip sa damdamin ninyo, sa puso ninyo, then talagang mahirap yon, di ba? But your situation is going to be healed, no? Magkakaroon kayo dito ng pagmumuni-muni talaga with the hermit energy. And with that, matutulungan kang mag-ground ng sarili ninyo, mas makakapag-concentrate kayo na maayos, mas makakapag-isip kayo na maayos because you'd be able to dissect your feelings and emotions. Possible then, Pisces, na yung ano ninyo dito, yung healing chaos na to could be related naman siguro sa away, mga maaaring nagkaroon kayo ng disagreement with a group of people or with another person, or siguro nagkaroon kayo dito ng hindi pagkakaintindihan with someone, yung ganun ba? At maaring ngayon, you'd be able to reconcile. Maaring magkakausap kayo, you'd be able to patch up, no, kung ano man yung dahilan ng inyong hindi pagkakaintindihan. So, kaya magkakaayos na din kayo. We have abundance. Napakaganda. So, this is, you're really blessed. No? You're really blessed. Kasi ito si Ace of Cups, yung ipapadala din sa inyo dito na biyaya, is in abundance. No? Dadating yan na sobra-sobra para sa'yo. So that you can also bless other people through that blessings, no, na paparating sa inyo. Yung abundance na to could be abundance of anything. Could be abundance of money, could be abundance of friends, could be abundance of time, energy. So, depende sa inyong sitwasyon, abundance of opportunities. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon, Pisces, but you are really going to be blessed, no, with abundance, no, of anything. So, napakaganda lang naman ang ganap. We have death. Ayan, death energy is transformation energy, no? When there is ending, there is beginning. We have a new beginning energy dito. Kaya, most likely talaga, meron kayong mga sisimulang bago na chapter sa buhay ninyo, no? Merong mga, when you step towards a new beginning, ibig sabihin, meron kayong tatalikuran, meron kayong tatapusin, meron kayong tutuldukan, no? There is an end of something, kaya meron dito magbubukas na bagong pinto para sa inyo. And that could be anything. That could be trabaho, that could be business, diba? That could be a friendship or relationship. So, depende sa inyong sitwasyon, but definitely something is ending and because you are starting a new beginning. We have friendship. Ayan, maaaring meron magtatapos dito na pagkakaibigan, no? Maaaring isa to sa mga magtatapos. Baka meron kayong mga tutuldo ka ng relationship with a friend, no? Maaring ganon. Kaya, maybe also, mayroong mga magtatapos na chapter sa inyong mga pakikipagkaibigan because for sure, there are some people also that you will meet sa ngayon at yan ay de-develop kayo into a new deep friendship, no? You're meeting new friends. Honesty. Ayan, ito yung isa sa mga magiging importanteng ingredient ng isang matagal na pagkakaibigan or isang matagal na relationship, no? Kahit anumang klaseng relationship, no? Honesty is one important ingredient para sa success na to. Kahit sa mga pagkakaibigan natin, love connection with our siblings, pamilya, kailangan natin ang honesty. Kaya yun ang i-observe natin lagi, no? Para mas maging successful, masaya, matibay, no, ang ating mga relationship. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.